Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mahant Innovations. So today in this video we are going to review JPT 21 volts cordless drill. First in this you will get one accessories drawer. To open this case, pull up your two clips. So in this you will get one coupon and a user manual and a warranty card. With this machine you will get 1 year warranty. For 1 year warranty you should fill up your form and send it to JPT Tools website. In this you will get one machine, two batteries and one charger. This charger is rating is 21 volts 1 ampere and 25 watts. With this you will get two batteries of 21 volts and a drill. To insert the battery, set your battery on the position and push it and it will lock. To pull up the battery, press this button and push it. It will come out. In this you will get clockwise and anti-clockwise buttons and a variable speed trigger. And here you will get one working LED and the check quantity is 0.8 to 10 mm check size. In this you will get 25 torque settings and 3 modes: screwdriver mode, drilling mode and hammer mode. In this you will get 2 variable speed. In second speed you will get higher RPM. In first speed you will get low RPM and high torque. You can see here it is the JPT branding. This side max torque is 18 to 15 Newton meter. In first speed you will get 550 rotation per minute. In second speed you will get 2150 rotation per minute. Now let's do some wood drilling with this machine. So here it is a 8 mm wood drilling bit. The benefit with this check is it is a keyless check. You won't need any key to tighten your bit. So here you can see there is no more any hole here. Now I will drill a hole with this machine. To drill, first set your machine on drilling mode and in second speed. You can see it drill a hole here perfectly. Now let's do some screwdriving with this machine. So here I am using a 1.5 centimeter screw. I am using a Inco 30 pieces bit set for this. For screwdriving, set your machine on screwdriving mode and second speed. In second speed you will get lower RPM and high torque. You can see it is doing screwing perfectly. Now let's do some metal drilling with this machine. Now I am using a 6 mm bit for drilling in metal. For drilling in metal, set your drill machine on drilling mode and in second speed. So here you can see I am drilling here. So here you can see it is drilling perfectly in metal. For metal drill, for drilling in walls, set your drill machine on hammer mode in second speed. Here I am using a 6 mm wall drilling bit. So here it is a cement brick. Now I will drill a hole here. So you can see it is drilling perfectly in this brick. And you can use it for any DIY projects and is also useful for any other electricians or any plumbing persons. If you will charge this battery once full, it will run up to 1 hour and it will take half an hour for charging fully. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.